You're using Canva's magic resize feature completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of design time every week. Today I'm showing you the professional workflow that will revolutionize how you create content across multiple platforms. Here's the problem most creators face. You spend 2 hours perfecting an Instagram post, then realize you need it for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Pinterest. So you manually recreate the entire design 5 different times, adjusting text, repositioning elements, and losing your mind in the process. According to Canva's 2024 user survey, the average creator wastes 4 hours per week on manual resizing alone. But here's what the pros know. Magic Resize isn't just a simple size converter. It's an intelligent design adaptation system that maintains your visual hierarchy while optimizing for each platform's specific requirements. Let me show you the game-changing workflow. First, start with your master design. Open Canva and create your primary design in the format you use most often. For most creators, that's Instagram square format at 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click the Create Design button, then select Instagram Post from the templates. Now here's step 1 that most people skip. Before you even start designing, plan for Magic Resize. Use text elements instead of text burned into images. Keep your main focal point centered. Avoid placing crucial elements too close to the edges. This foundation work is what separates amateur hour from professional results. Step 2. Access the Magic Resize panel. Look for the Resize button in the top toolbar. If you're on the free plan, you'll see limited options. But here's a pro tip from Canva's latest feature update in January 2024. Free users can still resize to some formats, just not with the full Magic Resize intelligence. Step 3. Select your target formats strategically. Don't just randomly pick sizes. Click the Resize button and you'll see the format selection screen. Choose formats based on your content distribution strategy. If you're running Facebook ads, select Facebook ad formats. If you're building a Pinterest presence, grab those vertical story formats. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our advanced Canva workflows coming next week. Now here's where Magic Resize gets really powerful. Step 4 is understanding the intelligence behind the feature. When you click Apply, Canva doesn't just stretch or crop your design. According to Canva's technical documentation, Magic Resize uses machine learning to identify text hierarchy, maintain readable font sizes, and preserve your design's visual balance. Watch what happens to your text elements. Magic Resize automatically adjusts font sizes to maintain readability across different formats. Your headline that's 48 points in the square format becomes 36 points in the story format, but the visual impact remains consistent. This is design intelligence most creators don't even realize is happening. Step 5. Customize the automated results. Here's where beginners go wrong. They think Magic Resize output is final. Wrong. Each resized version appears as a separate page in your design. Click through each format and make platform-specific adjustments. Your LinkedIn version might need more professional language. Your Instagram story version might benefit from different emoji placement. Step 6. Leverage the brand kit integration. If you have Canva Pro, Magic Resize pulls from your brand colors and fonts automatically. Go to Brand Kit in the left sidebar, upload your logo, set your brand colors, and define your font pairings. Now every Magic Resize operation maintains brand consistency across all formats. Step 7 is the advanced move most creators never discover. Use Magic Resize for animation testing. Create an animated design in one format, then resize it to see how the animations translate. The timing adjustments happen automatically, but you can fine-tune them in each format. Click on any animated element and adjust the animation duration in the timing panel. Step 8. Batch export like a professional. Don't download each format individually. Select all your resized pages using the checkbox in the page panel, then hit download. Choose your file format, PNG for social media, PDF for print materials, and hit download all. You'll get a zip file with all formats properly named. Here are the pro tips that will elevate your Magic Resize game. First, create templates with Magic Resize in mind. Design your master template with flexible layouts, then save it to your brand templates. Every future design starts with resize optimized structure. Second, use Magic Resize for A/B testing. Create multiple versions of your design, resize them all, then test performance across platforms. The data will tell you which design approaches work best for each format. Third, leverage the background removal integration. If your design includes photos, Magic Resize works better when your subject photos have transparent backgrounds. Use Canva's background remover before applying Magic Resize for cleaner results. Fourth, understand the platform-specific optimizations. According to recent social media research from Sprout Social, each platform has optimal text-to-image ratios. Magic Resize accounts for these automatically, but knowing them helps you design better master templates. And here's the advanced technique that separates the pros from everyone else. Create resize sets. Design 3 master templates, one optimized for horizontal formats like Facebook covers, one for square formats like Instagram posts, and one for vertical formats like Pinterest pins. Use Magic Resize to expand from each master template to related sizes. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Magic Resize isn't just a time saver, it's a strategic tool that maintains your brand consistency while maximizing your content's platform-specific impact. Master this workflow, and you'll never waste hours on manual resizing again. Subscribe for more advanced Canva techniques, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we're diving deep into Canva's AI content generation features.